Hello, my name is Salman Khan and my roll number is 20MT10051. Here in today's DIY assignment, we will be running the simulation of Arduino motor shield on the Proteus 8 demonstration software. So here we are on the Proteus software, and this here is the virtual Arduino board. These are the push keys, push buttons here, and this is the Arduino motor shield, and here is the virtual terminal. If we zoom in, then we find that this here part, the highlighted part here, is the L298 driver, which is connected through a dual H bridge to these two motors here, and these are the LED bulbs. The two motors are connected via their respective channels of A and B, the upper one being connected to A, and the inputs to the upper one are input 1, input 2, and enable A. And so we will be running the simulation for the upward motor only here. And now we will go to the source code. So let's get in there. This is the source code that I have written. I have kept the PWM as 300, and the source code is compiled successfully here, as you can see. Now we will go to the schematic capture and run the simulation. So as you can see, the simulation begins here. The motor is rotating clockwise, and these are the LED bulbs that are lighting up. The motor on the lower side is not functioning because we are only running the simulation of motor above through channel A only, as I mentioned earlier. So this way the motor will continue to rotate. You will see the rotation in a few seconds. So as you can see, now it is visible that the motor is rotating. This way it will go up to 17 plus 17 degrees, and it will stop there. So that's it. Thank you very much. So in the second part of this DIY project, here we'll use the Node-RED software and simulate a water level controller and gas pressure controller here. So as you can see here in the Node-RED software, there are different palettes available here, of which I have used the slider palette and the chart palette. So what I have done here is I have created a water level controller to get the input from the sensor, and the outputs will be shown by the water level in centimeter. And also I have used the gas pressure controller, of which the output will be shown in a chart, gas pressure controller in bars. So let's get to the UI interface of Node-RED and see the results. So as you can see here, this is the water level controller and the gas pressure controller. As we increase the input, the range is being shown, see. And as for the gas pressure controller, the same thing happens. And you can also see that in the water level controller here, I have given markings as to green and yellow and red, 1 to 33 being green, 33 to 67 being yellow, and up to 100 being red. And the water level controller units are in centimeter, and the gas pressure controller units are in bars, to 1 to 40. Apart from this, we can also see this on a different device, per se my mobile. I'll show it to you. So I'm getting to the camera, and now here I am using my mobile phone, and you can see the results being simultaneously changed on both my mobile as well as the laptop. This is for the gas pressure controller, and now for the water level controller, you can see the results being changing simultaneously on both the devices. So we can use this from a distant as well. So that's it. Thank you very much.